WL Toys A979B. We're testing out the speed, stock motor, 2S battery. That's all on reset. Yeah, that's all on 0. See what she does. Ooh, she's got some shift. Considering it's still on the stock motor, that's pretty fast. Ooh. And we hit 30 miles an hour. Whew. That's not bad. Not bad. 2S battery. This is a lot more manageable and controllable than when she had her brushless. Right, now I'm going to try it with a 3S battery in it. Try it with a 3S battery in it. So I've shoved the 3S in, 11.1 volt, 25C, 1500, just a little one. That's all reset. Let's see what we get. Oh, there goes the phone, in bits. Back of the phone. There she is. There's the battery. There's the battery. It's all over the place. She's still running, but I'll try again. So it's all reset. I'm going to try again. 3S run. Ooh, them bumps are really hitting it because it's small. Yeah. And again. Damn it. That says max speed 39, but we'll see. I'll try it again. Okay, third time's the charm. Let's see what we can get. It's all set back to 0. Just try not to crash. Out again. We're on the smooth bit. Bring her in nice and slow, see what we hit. 37. Let's try one more blast. Oop. And we got, you can see that, 37. Oh, that's, and she's gone again. God damn it. Cheers for watching, everyone. And that's it for today. Ooh, last run. Reckon she got 39. I don't know. It was pretty fast. Cheers for watching, everyone.